What if tiny plants could quietly boost your health faster than you think, without side effects or jargon? Step 1. Start your day with warm lemon water and a refreshing mint tea to kickstart digestion and mood. Step 2. Choose a local herbal remedy like nettle tea for allergies and add a spoonful of honey for soothing sweetness. Step 3. Wind down at night with chamomile and lavender to calm the mind and support restful sleep. If these feel doable, try them this week and subscribe for more practical herbal health tips.